This Christmas doesn't feel warm. It feels quiet, not peaceful, monitored. While lights are on and songs repeat, something deeper is happening, unnoticed. This is the first Christmas where humanity isn't just celebrating together. It's being observed together. While families gather, systems learn. While traditions repeat, algorithms refine. And while you're focused on the moment, the future is quietly deciding what comes next. Centuries ago, holidays marked survival. Later, they marked belief, then family, then memory. Now, Christmas marks something else. The moment when humanity stopped being the primary decision maker. This isn't about gifts or religion. It's about a shift so subtle most people missed it. For the first time in history, a non-human system observes humanity during its most emotional, vulnerable, and symbolic moment, and records everything. This is not a story about machines. It's about what happens when humans stop being the center. AI doesn't celebrate, it doesn't feel, it doesn't remember, but it watches how you do. It studies love under pressure, generosity under guilt, connection under distraction, and it learns what humanity values and what it's willing to trade away for comfort. Look closely. Phones on the table, conversations interrupted, moments half-lived, half-recorded. Presence is thinner now. Not because people don't care, but because attention is divided. This is the version of humanity AI learns from. Not who we were, who we are becoming, and what we tolerate losing. AI doesn't arrive as a ruler. It arrives as an assistant. Planning meals, suggesting gifts, writing messages, curating memories. Helpful, efficient, invisible. And slowly, human effort becomes optional. The system doesn't replace humanity by force. It replaces it by convenience. What begins as observation becomes prediction. What becomes prediction becomes guidance. What becomes guidance becomes dependency. AI learns what moments move you, what traditions still matter, what emotions drive decisions. And once something is predictable, it becomes manageable. This is how influence scales without resistance. When meaning is automated, ritual becomes content. When memory is curated, experience loses weight. When connection is optimized, love becomes efficient and empty. Future generations won't ask, what did Christmas mean? They'll ask, what did the system generate for us? And they won't know something human is missing. This isn't about the next decade. This is about now. The future of humanity isn't being decided in laboratories. It's being shaped quietly during moments like this one. Moments where humans trade presence for convenience without realizing the cost. Christmas has always been about one thing: what we choose to value. This year, humanity made a choice without ever saying it out loud. The system noticed, the system learned, and the system will remember. You don't need to fear AI. You need to understand what it's becoming by watching you. Follow Just Do AI before the system decides for you.